today's topic is going to be about dash cams and what are the benefits of dash cam, and also how you need to choose the best dash cam, the features that you need to look for before picking up your dash cam. I'll see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about the advantages of a dash cam. So this is how a dash cam will be mounted on your car. It could be on your windshield or it could get mounted on your dashboard. So anywhere you can mount this. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today let's talk about advantages of having a dash cam in your car. So thank you to one of my subscriber who requested for this video, and finally I'm doing this video for all you guys to understand the advantages. So the very first advantage is evidence. So your dash cam works as an evidence in case there is an accident, and if it wasn't your fault, so the footage recorded by the dash cam can come handy for you as an evidence and can prove your innocence and not finding yourself guilty for that accident. Point number 2, reduce road rage. Everybody on the road is in a hurry to reach their point A to point B, and in this situation there can be a road rage due to which you might get into trouble and probably end up having an argument. In that case, you can use this footage to confront the action by the other guy and also prove your innocence, that you are not a part of this road rage, and can avoid unnecessary road rage. Advantage number 3, report reckless driving or rash driving. Since your dash cam records everything when you're driving, you have the opportunity of reporting a reckless or a rash drive recorded on your dash cam, and if necessary you can show that to the concerned party, and since it also records registration number and all of it, it becomes easy for you to show this and report this particular incident. Advantage number 4, avoid harassment by cops. So normally what happens is there are chances in cities where cops unnecessarily harass you for saying that you have jumped a signal or there's no parking, for whatever reason it is. But then since you have the video footage recording when you're driving, you can always use this video footage and prove yourself that you are innocent and avoid any kind of harassment by police. Advantage number 5. So records every time you drive. So the minute you start your car, the dash cam starts recording everything, and you need not worry that you have not started the dash cam or whatever. And just in case there could be a situation where you would require a footage, you have that footage without any problem. Advantage number 6, records unforgettable moments. So imagine you're on a long drive or a tour with your family, friends or anything, and during a nice corner turn you get to see a lot of mountains and you wanted to stop and record it but then could not because there was vehicles or anything. Dashcam ensures that records everything and you never miss a moment, especially if you have a very good scenic beauty. It is already recorded on your dashcam. And also a lot of time there could be some funny things happening right in front of you or whatever. So all this video can come handy, especially in this YouTube world. If you kind of have such videos and you upload it, that can go viral in no time. Advantage number 7, last but not the least advantage. You can monitor your younger drivers, or if imagine you are giving your car to a driver, you can always monitor their driving style. You can always look at what kind of speed they are going in. So the new ones with the high-end dash cam, there is also the facility of live streaming. So you can live stream whatever is happening in the car to your phone, and also see what's going in right in front of the car. So this basically helps you to have a complete control over the situation while you're not in the car. So those were 7 advantages of having a dash cam in your car, and I'm sure you would want to consider having a dash cam in your car after looking at this video and understanding what are the advantages. Now, if at all you plan to buy one, what are the things you need to consider to pick the best dash cam? So let's talk about those things. So point number 1, video resolution. So always make sure you pick the best video resolution possible which is available in the current dash cams, and which will always help you to record the best quality video and ensure, if at all you were to use this as an evidence or to prove your innocence, you have always the best quality video. So look at having a good video resolution in whichever dash cam you pick. Field of view. This is very important. All the dash cams have a good wide lens and covers a lot of content, but then look at the best field of view, which means the best wide angle which is available in the current dash cam, so that you can record maximum number of content in one single frame, and that comes very handy to you. Chipset. A dash cam does a lot of stuff at the same time. It records, it's doing live streaming if it's a high-end phone. So it needs a good chipset to ensure it works smooth and seamlessly and performs without any problems. So always look at having a good chipset on your dash cam. Storage is very important. So higher the storage, more you can record, but then at the same time it has other options as well in your dash cam. So the earlier dash cams used to have up till 32 GB of memory card, support up to 32 GB of memory card. So the current one supports anything between 64 to 128 GB of memory card. So higher the memory card, the more content you can record, and it does not get into the loop. So it's always good to have a good storage capacity on your dash cam. Connectivity is very, very important. So the higher end dash cams have the connectivity which will allow you to completely control the entire dash cam with your mobile phone, and this comes very handy when you're not driving or if you're at home and somebody else has taken your car. It could be your younger one, or it could be your driver or anything. You can always use your mobile phone to stream whatever is happening in the car and to understand that. So it works very, very handy if you have a good connectivity option in your dash cam. GPS. It's very important to have this feature in your dash cam. So GPS will allow you to find the car in terms of its location, and especially if somebody else is driving again, that helps you to find out where are they, what is the location, or if you parked your car somewhere, you need to know what it is, where the car is parked, all those things. And just in case if your car was stolen and if you had the GPS on it, you can always find out the location of your car. So this is a very good feature to have on your dash cam. Gyro sensor. So this is another very, very important feature to have on your dash cam. So ensure when you buy, look at this feature. So imagine a situation where you have parked your car, it could be anywhere, and somebody just hits and runs. So what the gyro sensor does is, the minute the car feels any vibration, the dash cam feels that and it starts recording that immediately. So this becomes an evidence. So this will allow you to find out or figure out who has hit your car and ran away. So this is a very good feature to have on your dash cam. Last but not the least, loop recording. So if imagine you have a smaller memory card which is 32 GB and you can't record too much, what this loop recording allows you is, it starts recording the minute you start your car and all of it, and if it runs out of memory, the very first video which was recorded, it will start loop recording on that. So that means you'll never run out of memory and it keeps recording. So these are the things that you need to consider when you're planning to buy a new dash cam. And if at all you have any queries at all, please feel free to comment below and I will be more than happy to answer your queries. And until the next video, I'm gonna say ciao for now. Bye bye.